Sushant, give me Queen of Wands if you want to connect. Sushant, give me Queen of Wands if you want to connect. Okay, guys, the way the cards came out, I saw 9 and 10 of cups, and the Queen of Wands, as usual, was in the end of the deck. So it's been a while where this happens, that Queen of Wands is scared to come out. It doesn't come out, but it remains at the end of the deck, and that's how I found her. And finally, Sushant connected, maybe because all of you were getting restless. He connected, and the card is 9 of Cups and 10 of Cups along with it. 9 of Cups is a card of wish fulfillment. 9 of Cups is a card when we sit and look at things, and 10 of Cups is a card of happiness. It's happy family, it's people coming together, people celebrating, it's completion. It's also number 10, and if you remember, he's been given 9 and 10 numbers. So I feel that we are very close to something, and there is a reason for celebration that we are going to get. So I forgot to kind of even put my mic because I'm not at my place, you can see that. So I was at my like I was just waiting to make the monthly predictions because I was somewhere out, and I had to get the monthly predictions out to you guys. So I couldn't so I forgot to kind of put the mic. So anyways, so we'll start the reading, and I will ask Sushant the questions. And in this reading, I'm going to ask him some very specific questions as well about, you know, him being there and the hard drives and all of things that he has been you guys have been waiting to know. Sushant, what do you want to tell us? Okay, so the cards that came out is so they're basically cards of celebration and victory, and but struggle. So the cards are saying that 4 of Wands, it's saying that some information is going to come out, something is going to come out, some people are going to come out, some names are going to come out. But if we think that that's end of the struggle, no, that's not end of the struggle. There still will be struggle, but we are going to lead towards victory. And if I take it in the months, because the cards are in sequence, there is 4, 5 and 4, 5 and 6. So if we see in the April, there was things that started to come out. Number 5, in the month of May, there was a lot of struggle. 6, month of June, and I thought that probably June nothing will come out in June, but I feel that yes, something is going to come out in June, and maybe the part of the completion or part of the celebration might happen in June that we see. And the last card on the deck is 4 of Cups, and again that card also says that something is coming from divine hand. So we've been looking at the things that are in front of us, and there is a divine hand which is going to get something completely out, and we are going to see something else. So I'm going to ask questions from some other cards. So Sushant, we'll start with asking Sushant what he wants to tell, and then I'm going to ask the questions about everything that you guys are thinking, that I also have those questions. Some answers I had, but some I didn't. Sushant, what else do you want to tell us? Sushant, what else do you want to tell us? Sushant, what else do you want to tell us? Okay. So one card kind of jumped completely away. That's a card of Cups, and this is a card which says that, you know, we have to wear our heart on our sleeves. There is information that is going to come out, there are more emotions that are going to come out, there are more things that are going to come out. So some sudden changes, some sudden information, some things are going to come out that we'll see. Second card is the Magician card, and if you see, the Magician is very different here. There is a book that is open in front of the Magician. A magician is standing on a dice, and he's kind of in a way like giving a speech or telling a story from the book, or you know, reading the things out to us. So I feel that yes, something is going to happen. Some authorities are going to come in front of us and give us some information. And I've already said that last time when we spoke about, there was somebody from authorities who came on one of the channels and said a few things and gave us some information, and that also was told by Sushant long back. So again, I feel that yes, and this is going to be like almost information that is coming from the book. But then this information, again, number 10, he has been giving 10, but this information probably will not be complete because they're still trying to compile the information. If you see, some sticks in this card, some sticks are lying in the in the utensil or in the thing that she has, and some are actually lying on the ground and on different sides. So there are 3 agencies or 3 type of set of people who actually worked on it. So if you remember, there was a story that I gave once. I got a download, and I gave that download in form of a video without cards, where I said that there were 3 parties involved. the things that happened, 3 angles involved, and that's what is happening right now, and they will have to compile all those things. So they probably have completed their own bit. If we talk about NCB, we talk about ED, we talk about CBI, they have completed their own bit, and there is definitely the information has to be compiled and the information has to be brought together for it to reach to us in the right way. And then only when it is compiled, because there are when this murder was planned, there were different parties who were involved, and we see there are angles of drug, we see there are angles of child trafficking, and all the other angles that are coming out. There are more that are going to come out of this, but yes, there are informations that are going to come out of this. Now I'm going to ask some questions from the angel cards. Now these cards have proper yes no question answers, so he can definitely give us a yes and a no on the things that he wants to. So the way he gives answer, I will let you know those answers, and if he doesn't want to give, he'll probably not give answers, but these cards can actually give very specific answers. So I asked a question about hard drives. Are these Sushant's hard drives? And the answer that I have gotten this answer from Sushant beforehand also. And at that time, I was not allowed to share it with you guys, so I couldn't. The card says there is something better, and that is what I got an answer from him when I was asking this question to him, and he gave the info. The way information came to me was that this is not even 1% of what he wants to tell. This is not. This might not be exactly his work as well. There is a possibility, but there is some more that is there, and that is going to come. And when I look at the way I have seen things, if you remember in last few videos, I've been saying since the beginning that there is some information that is lying with some person, and that person is going to come out in open, in public, and we are going to see that information, and from there the case is going to take a new turn. But the information that is coming out right now, it is not even like 0.1% of what it is. And there are videos, there are video proofs. I'm sure there is so much that will not need anybody, no agencies, nothing. Nobody will need any proof after watching all of those things, and I'm sure that all of that is also going to come out very soon. So definitely all that information is going to come out very soon, and this is just a very small bit of it. Now I want to ask him whether he's alive. So I've been always asking, are you not in the physical body, are you gone from the world? I've never asked him a question, are you alive? So I want to ask him, are you alive? Are you physically alive? And the cards that I got were these were very strange cards that I got, and the answers that I got. The first card that I got said don't stop. So he wanted to know us to know that we don't have to stop the fight. After what we are going to see in the cards, we still have to continue the fight. We still have to ensure that we are fighting for his justice. We are fighting to get the truth out. Second card is let go. Now this means that you have to let go of thinking about whether he's there or whether he's not there, because of the things that you're going to get to know now. Third card is a yes. So it very clearly says yes. And when I say yes, it looks like yes, he is in the physical body. And I wanted to know if he's there, if we'll, like, when will he come out in the physical body, come out to the world, he'll come back to the world. And this card says a year from now. And you will be surprised that in the coming in the video after this, I've been asking the question, and this a year from now has been jumping out, like coming out over and over again. So a year from now, and I feel that yes, that's the information that he's always given us. Now I wanted to ask him a question, whether he's going to come back as Sushant Singh Rajput in his own physical body. So even before I could complete my question, the card jumped out, and the card that came, it said no. So the answer is that he will not come back as Sushant Singh Rajput. When he comes back, he will not come back as Sushant Singh Rajput. You will not see him as Sushant Singh Rajput. But yes, he is somewhere there in his physical body. But you'll probably, there'll be a new name, there'll be a new identity. So we'll not know if it's Sushant Singh Rajput. And if you remember, when I did my first video that I made, he told me 19 months, and if I see 19 months somewhere complete in around end March, so probably end of the March when he comes back. But is it that we'll never know? Because I asked him and he said unlikely when I asked him for myself. But I feel that still we will, it's not that we'll never know, you know. The card says look for a sign, because I asked that how will we know if it is you, will we ever know? And he said look for a sign, and the first sign that comes to my mind is his tattoo. And I feel that yes, he can, the tattoos can be erased, but I feel that he will never erase his tattoo. He'll probably modify his tattoo, and people who are able to find his original tattoo in between the modified tattoo will know that it's only Sushant. And there could be other signs as well, because I remember that he said that we will, when will we know him as Sushant Singh Rajput? He had given a timeline of 5 years. So in around 5 years, maybe circumstances will change and we will know that okay, he is Sushant Singh Rajput, and he has come back. But till then, one thing that you have to remember is not that the murder did not happen, right? There is a murder that has happened. He has undergone the torture. He has undergone everything that has happened. Everything that happened, everything that was shown to us was absolutely real. So you don't have to get into that angle that if he's not dead, why the case and why everything else. And is there anything else that you want to say? And the answer I got is yes. Yes, there is more that he wants to say. I will pick up another set of cards, because this card is generally about yes, no, month, time, and that kind of a thing. So I will pick up another set of cards and I will ask him what he wants to tell us. And let's see, what is Sushant, what do you want to tell? Sushant, what do you want to? So there is a card of Two of Cups. I feel that Two of Cups is the card of connections. It's a card of coming together. It is the card of two people coming together, or the informations coming together. This could be two agencies coming together. It feels like in 2 days we'll probably hear something. So 13, 14, 15, because today is already 13. So 14 and 15 probably we'll hear something. We'll get some information or something will come out. But at the same time, because it's Two of Cups, he wants to probably say that he wants all of you to be connected to him. He's connected to all of you. He's there. He's spiritually in you. You are in him, and that connection has to go on. And when that connection goes on, that's the divine connection, from where a lot of other things come out, or a lot of energy comes out, and there is an energy flow that is happening. And this could also be where two agencies are coming together, and now their information is completely full. Anything about NCB that you want to say? So the way the cards are, there was some person who had a lot of information, and if you see, there is the first card, there is this lady who's sitting with some information, and she's actually closed this information to her heart, or to, like, she's closely holding it. She's sitting far away from the whole crowd or from the whole people. So there was some information that was far away. And if you see the second card, Queen of Pentacle, that person has gotten, now she's gotten hold of this information. So probably there was something, some information, some situations which NCB has already gotten hold of, say this. So they have this information in their hands. They know these all these things, and now is the time when this information has to come out. And Empress is the card of taking baby steps, slowly coming out. And if you see this card, there is a moon and there is a sun in this card, but he's not touching the moon. He's actually holding the sun in his hands now. So the moon is already gone. The solar eclipse has already happened now. And I remember I shared an old video with you guys, which where he actually, Sushant mentioned that after solar eclipse, a lot of things are going to come out. And I think, and he gave the number 10 also. So this was solar eclipse on 10th, and I feel that yes, things have started to work out, and NCB might come up with something. Are right now not able to see the background. We are not able to see what is happening, so we feel that things are not happening. But if you see again this card, there is a lot of illusions that have been created, but not that work is not happening. Maybe in the illusions the work is happening, so that some people who are not meant to know about it don't get to know about it, right? So it's a big thing that has to happen. So CBI, let's just ask about CBI. Okay, so at times I get this thing in my head that okay, pick up different cards. So CBI, what is it that Sushant wants to tell about CBI? What is it that you want to tell about CBI, Sushant? Where is the investigation going? Is it leading to something? And I couldn't stop these cards from falling off. They kind of fell off, and there was one card that was turned around. So the cards that I have, they are beautiful cards, because the first card is High Priestess. And High Priestess, if you see, there is a person who's sitting, there is a book in her hands, there is a fruit that she's just ready to eat. There is is moon that has started. So new moon has already started like becoming bigger. And if you take fruit is basically a signal of something ripe, something becoming ripe, something that is ready to re-eat. And she has a whole book in front of her where the things are done, the things are already clear. And this is not the high priestess where she's hiding something. It's completely right there, right open, right there. So I think CBI is about to come with something, and they have their things ready, they have their work ready, they have done everything that they were supposed to. And second card is beautiful. It's because justice, and justice card says if they are impartial, if they are objective, if they see the all sides of the situation, and if they go with integrity, then definitely justice is going to happen. And I feel that they will go with integrity, I feel that they will go with the right thing, I feel that they will go into the right way. And there is a card of justice that is there, and we all want justice, right? We are all waiting for justice. And the third card is seven of wands, and seven of wands is a card of taking your stand, standing your ground, knowing where you stand and knowing what you want to do. So also a card of challenging the power, so challenging the people who are into power, and winning the battles being wise. And that is what probably CBI is doing, because it's not a small battle, there are not small people. So they have to be very very wise when they take the step. To ask him a question where when can we expect like a proper justice. So I wanted to ask him about a timeline where we'll get proper justice. And when I was about to take out the cards again, another like another intuition, another dialogue that came into my mind, another sentence was, first ask, will it be a murder, will it be will CBI come and say that it was a murder, and that is how things happened, or will they come out with the clarity of murder? Will we take this as a murder angle? So will CBI come out, or the information that comes out now, will it be from the murder angle? Will they say it was a murder? And the way the cards came out, first of all, I see the card of five of cups. And five of the cups card, if you see the card, there are some cups that are kind of broken, they are thrown, they are broken. And and there's five of cups is a card which talks about temporary sadness or temporary disappointment, but there are two cups that are hidden behind. And when I look at this, I feel that when CBI or any agency comes up with things, on the face of it, they might not give us what we are wanting to get, what we are wanting to hear. So we want to hear that he was murdered, and the murderers are going to be like behind the jail and everything, which eventually will happen. But right now they might not give us that. They might say it was culpable homicide, they might say that it was like they're still working on it, they might give some update to us, but it will not be like the complete update. It will not be something that will give you like a complete picture of it, and that will tell you that okay, the everything is complete, and we've completed our work, and we know the criminals, and these are the criminals. Not like that. It could just be something that will not be the complete information, that might just make you feel that, oh, this is not what we were waiting for. Then but the wheel of fortune is still there, number 10 is still there. You'll have to wait a little more. The wheel is going to turn, and probably it is not happening on the face of it, because there is still some person who's flowing the money, there is still some person who's on power, and they have not been able to nail down that person, and they have to still work upon nailing down that person. Because the last card is two of wands. Two of wands is a card of choices. Two of wands is a card where you have to go through the whole thing. So whatever they present in front of us, it is going to be, because only by presenting things in this way is when they will be able to nail this person down. And that is why they might not come up with the whole thing, they might not just say the whole thing, they might just say a very very small part of it, because there is some more search, or there's some more proofs, or there are some more things that they need to work upon before they give us the complete thing. Because when they flow the information out, it's going to go to that person as well, right? So that is why don't get disheartened. Know that the whole thing is going to come out. Justice will happen, okay guys. In the end, the justice will happen, and we have to ensure that we are stable, we don't give up, we are fighting, we are continuously on it. And I wanted to ask him, with the murder angle ever come out, and that just came to my mind. So let me just ask, and this deck doesn't give a yes no answer, so probably he made me put that deck down, and Sushant, will the murder angle come out? Like, and when I'm saying this, it's, don't get into that zone that, you know, I'm saying that he's alive or he's, but he's not. There is a murder that has happened physically for the world, legally for the world he's dead, legally he's not there, he was murdered, he was killed, the things happened, and all the torture that happened to him, that did happen, that was the reality. So we can't ever ignore that fact that he had to undergo that much of a torture. So Sushant, will murder angle come out? Okay, so the card that I got is the card of compromise. It says compromise. And when it says compromise, you don't have to feel that, oh, the compromise will happen and, you know, the murder angle will not come out. Because again, the last card was 1 year from now. The compromise is a card which has weighing scales with it. So there are weighing scales, and weighing scales are always the scales of justice. So while I'm saying compromise, I'm saying that maybe it will not be like a complete murder thing, because you know, like somewhere we know that he's there, but it definitely justice will happen. So there could be a culpable homicide angle, there could be an angle where they get punishment because of all the crimes, because this is a cleanup, right? So they will get punishment in terms of the drugs, the child trafficking, the all the things that they have done, the torture that was given to him. So it could be anything which is from like, there are two ways, like culpable homicide amounting to murder and murder. So this could be a culpable homicide amounting to murder, people doing some things that end up killing him. Will everybody who is involved get punished? Will everybody who's involved will get punished? The card is don't stop, will not have to stop. 1 year from now, a year from now, you will see everybody getting punished, you will see everybody getting in behind the bars. Justice is not going anywhere, guys. Definitely the justice will happen. And he gave more clarity, because we were confused, like you guys would have been confused whether what is the compromise meaning of compromise. This says within next few weeks, communication clearly. So there are clear the communications that are going to come out within next few weeks. So you will see in next few weeks clear communications coming out, picture becoming very clear, people getting caught, arrests happening and all of that. And from there the situation will improve. And the last card is recovery. That is when the recovery is going to happen, and that is when everybody who's done whatever is going to come out clear in the out. So next few weeks are very, very crucial, and in next few weeks the whole things are going to come out, the whole situation is going to clear. Sushant, is there anything else that you want to say? Sushant, is there anything else that you want to say? So I got a card of no, I don't want to say anything else. So he probably came to just, you know, talk to you. And I think he just connected because he could feel the emotions of all of you guys. I was connecting with him over and over again, telling him that, you know, you guys are feeling restlessness, you guys are crying, and he needs to give you something at least, so that you feel better, so that you feel comfortable, so that you know that he's fine, he's okay, and things are going to happen. And that is why probably he connected. I'm so thankful, I'm so overwhelmed. I got so overwhelmed when I saw the cards that he wants to connect, because I wanted really you guys to have some message from him, to know, you know, things are going to be fine. And from this, I wanted to get a message from him to you guys, so that you guys get some further more clarity, because definitely whatever we do, some confusions remain. So Sushant, what do you want to tell people? And the last card I just saw was happy. Okay, so the cards came out, and the cards that I got were the card of, first it was the higher power. Higher power is the power we have, right? It is our third eye, it is our energy, and that's where he is in, and it's number 4. And I'm still on the same stand, same grounds that I always was. Number 4, I still connect with his body. Number 4, I still connect with him. And definitely there are some higher energies that are going to work, there's some divine energies that are going to work, and we are going to see the reality in whatever way things are going to come out. And there is no way that you know, I'm going to change my stand. The second card is yang energy. Yang energy is the card of number 1. It is the card of action. It is the card of finally the activity happening, and we'll see those activities, those actions happening. And last card is number 9. It's treasure island. And treasure island, if you see, there is a tortoise and a turtle, and there is a treasure that's on its back. Now we know how fast the turtle is, right? So that's when the things have happened in the turtle speed or the tortoise speed. The slowly the things have happened, but they were meant to happen like this, guys. They were meant to happen like this. So let's just see. I want to give you a surrender message as well, so that you are clear on the things how you should move ahead. And the card that came out, the first card says surrender to the wisdom of your body. Listen to your body's messages about a person or situation. If you feel physically drained or uncomfortable, be cautious. If you are energized and happy, move forward. So this card is very clear. It says that he's connected with all of you. He's connected with your energies, and he wants you to be happy. He wants you to move forward, because don't get into that zone. He's crying and he's bad and he's unhappy and he's sad, and he's not. He's absolutely fine. He's absolutely happy. He's absolutely working on things. He's working on his purpose, and that's how he wants us to be. He wants us to be energized. He wants us to be happy. He wants us to be moving forward. And I think that is what all of us should do. Keep moving forward. Feel his energy into your own body. Feel his energy into your own energy. The second card is even more beautiful. It says surrender to divine timing. Sometimes divine timing may differ from your ego's timing. If the goal isn't manifesting fast enough according to your ego, be patient. Trust the universal law. And that's what the card is saying, that things will happen, and they will happen in their own pace, and they are meant to. Think about it. What did we want? We want the justice to happen. Okay, we want Sushant's murder to be captured. Amazing. So think about it, that okay, 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, 1 month, and Sushant murder case was solved. Then what? There would have been so many more Sushants. Like, the cleanup would not have happened. That was the purpose of this whole stress, this whole tragedy, this whole sacrifice that he made, the pain that he went through. He wanted no more Sushants to be there further, no more people to suffer like Sushant. Yes, everybody is Sushant in us, but no more people to further suffer like Sushant. And that couldn't have happened in a day, in two. The cleanup was bigger, right? So that is why it was supposed to happen. It was supposed to take time. So don't go negative. Don't think that why so much time, it has still not happened. He doesn't want you to be in that energy. I'm sure doesn't want. He wants the cleanup. He wants the energy, or the next coming years clean for our future generations. That's why he sacrificed so much. He sacrificed his own self. The card that I have again is the same card. It says surrender to what is. Flow with what is instead of fighting it. When you can't change the situation, compassionately accepting it exactly as is will bring you peace. So accept the situations as is they are. And the card is again saying surrender to spirit. It says once you have done everything, you can achieve a goal, turn the situation over to the divine. Let spirit works its magic for you, and the spirit is working its magic for you. We cannot see it right now, you cannot see it right now, but it is working the magic, definitely. And that is why you have to let it be on the spirit to decide, and the magic will happen. The truth will come out, the justice will happen, the reality will come out. I'm still saying the justice will happen. We'll have the complete justice. Every truth is going to come out. And last last two cards that I wanted to give you, this was ancestral wisdom, and this card says that our ancestors are with us, the energies are with us, a lot of information is with us, and when the information has to flow, it takes time. So have faith, have patience, know that it is happening, and know that it is going to happen. And last cards are the most beautiful cards that I got from the unicorn cards. And when I shuffled the two cards that basically came out, because this was the last message that I wanted to give you before you guys leave from this today. But know that the justice will happen. Know that he's sacrificed himself, and he has to get justice. He has to get this cleanup done, and we have to be part of it. We have to not leave it in between, but be part of it and have that cleanup happen completely. And that's why it is taking time. So don't get disheartened. He's not sad, he's not disheartened. You can see the cards, you can see the kind of cards that he's giving, right? They are nowhere showing that he's sad, he's into a very bad situation. He's very much there, he's very much fine. And yes, you will not see him like him, but who knows, the situations will change. We'll look for the signs, and we might just see him as he is. And I've never said this officially on record, but today he gave us the answer through the cards, and it was the crystal clear answer that yes, he's there, but we'll have to look for signs, and not right now, because it's very clear that until a year from now we will not see it. And if you remember the first reading, if you check that reading, it is that in around March he will come back. And how he comes back, I'm again saying that he'll come back to the Queen of Wands, and he'll come back from that source. So how he comes back, we will know it. So let's see the last cards that are there, and from the unicorn messages, the last message, Sushant, that you have for people. The cards that I got from here, because I already have those cards, I can give you those cards. The first card was openings. It's number 22, and number 22 is still number 4, and I still stand by what I was saying, that it was not his body which was cremated. And this is a card which is saying new opening. The key is there, new door has opened. So we are already seeing new informations floating out, this which is not like even 1% of what is there, but that information is relevant, that information is important, and the new door is opening for you. And again, the second card is number 10. It is number 19. So 9 plus 1 is 10, and it says focus on a vision beyond yourself, and your unicorn will help you. And it is the card of manifestation. We can manifest anything that we want to manifest. So think about, guys, what you want to manifest. Do you want to cry? Do you want to be sad? Do you want to be thinking that nothing is happening, justice will not happen, things will not work out? Or do you want to manifest that justice has happened, things have worked out, we are there, he's happy? Do you want to manifest that? Think about it. And then I'm very, very thankful for him to connecting with me. I am somewhere out, but he did connect when he has to, he does. And please manifest good things, please manifest happiness. Thank you so much. Bye bye.